Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 6.4 on RHEL 9. The prerequisite is we must have either MySQL or PostgreSQL. First go to open any browser, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. Zabbix.com and hit enter. Click on download. See here we have the Zabbix packages, Zabbix cloud images, Zabbix containers, appliance, sources, agents. So first see the latest version is 6.4 and 7 is not yet stable version. It is still pre-release only. Then we have to select the OS as distribution like RHEL. Then see here the versions 9. See my current version also 9. Let me check more OS-release. See, I am on RHEL 9. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Then see here Zabbix components, server, front-end, agent. Or if you want only proxy, agent, agent 2 or web service. Okay, so I want to install this one. And in databases we have the two options, MySQL and PostgreSQL. And web server we have the Apache and Nginx. Okay, so I have installed MySQL on this RHEL 9. If you haven't installed MySQL on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay, before going to perform these steps, we have to install the prerequisites like open terminal. We have to install these components. I will keep these commands in the video description. Okay, so copy this, paste here, hit enter. So we have to give this sudo, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. See, it requires total 36 MB. Type Y and hit enter. It is done. Prerequisites done. Control L to clear screen. See, next we have to start HTTPD, that is Apache, and PHP. So run these commands one by one. Paste it. Provide the password of sudo user. Okay. Next, enable the HTTPD service. I will keep these commands in the video description again. Next, start the php-fpm. Enable this one also. It is done. Now one more time we have to choose the platform. Zabbix version, then RHEL, then version, OS version 9, then Zabbix component, database, Apache. Okay. Then go to this file and we have to add this command. We have to add this line. Okay. Sudo vi, paste that link. See, we don't have anything here. Anyway, I2 insert mode, paste it, save the file. Okay. Next, install the Zabbix repository. Copy this command, paste it, hit enter. So we have to give the sudo. It is done. Now next, this is optional, anyway run it, paste it. So we have to use the sudo. It is done. Control L to clear screen. Now next command is install Zabbix server, front-end and agent. Copy entire line, paste it, hit enter. Anyway, again here we have to give sudo. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. See, it is installing Zabbix version 6.4. See, we have successfully installed Zabbix 6.4. Okay. Now next, connect to MySQL, because we have selected here MySQL. If you select PostgreSQL, you have to connect to PostgreSQL. Then commands will be different. Okay. So connect to MySQL. MySQL hyphen Control L to clear screen. MySQL hyphen U root hyphen P. Then first see that we have to create the initial database. So create database by using this command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It's done. Verify again, show databases. I will keep this link in the video description. Next, create user. Copy this one, paste it. In brackets we have to provide the password. Here it is given as password. So gives the same, don't change it. Hit enter. See, your password doesn't satisfy. So for that purpose we have to give our own password. So copy up to the single quote, paste it, put semicolon. Then next, grant all privileges on this database. This is the database to this user. Okay. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now set this global parameter. Paste it, hit enter. Now quit. Now we have to insert the schema and data. Okay. So after then it will ask us the password. So copy it, paste it here, hit enter. Then provide the password of the user Zabbix. Password is, this is the password. It is success. Now we have to disable this log bin trust function option. Okay. So connect again for MySQL hyphen U root hyphen P. Then here we set 1 for enable, and here we are setting 0 to disable. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, quit. Now edit this config file and set the DB password. Vi sudo vi, paste it, hit enter. Scroll down or search for DB password. See, escape and remove this comment, shift A, and provide the password that we have given. Okay, save the file, then restart both Zabbix server and agent. Okay, so by running these commands, copy them, Control L to clear screen, paste it, hit enter, then provide password. Again enable them, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Okay, all the steps done. Now open Zabbix web page. So we have to use this HTTP hostname and Zabbix. Okay, hostname here is, see, this is a hostname, or you can give the IP, not only host, even you can give the local host, because Zabbix server is installed on this machine. So ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Instead of host, we can give this one. Let me copy this one. Go to browser, replace this with localhost or this IP. Anything is fine. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Zabbix 6.4. Now click on next step. See, all are okay. So click on next. Here database hostname is same, port number 3306. 3306 is the port number for MySQL, and database name same, Zabbix. Username we have provided at the time of creation. Then next, then click on next step. Don't never save. Here we have to provide the name for the Zabbix server. server name is, this is the server name, localhost. Okay, simply give localhost and click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. Okay, database server name, this is the server name, this is the database name, this is the database username. Okay, this is the Zabbix server name. So click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Also here configuration file is created here. Okay, and this is the file name. So click on finish. Now username is admin and provide the password. Password is Zabbix. You have to remember this one. Okay, so give the caps admin, then give the password Zabbix and click on sign in. See, this is the dashboard or global view of the Zabbix server. If you want to change the password, click on user settings, profile, then click on change password. Here we have to provide the new password. Okay, I'm not going to change. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix 6.4 on RHEL 9. For more Zabbix for monitoring tools installation, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.